Welcome, everyone is our REALME X50 Pro, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. Now, there's a couple different ways you can do it, and it's completely up to you, whichever one feels most comfortable to you. I'm just gonna show you all of them. So number one, you wanna open up the content that you wish to capture, which I'm gonna start with the home screen. And the first way would be to hold the power key and volume down. This will capture a screenshot. And the second way, I'm gonna actually open up settings for this, for the future ones. So the second way, it does the same thing as the power key and volume down. It's just I would say, simpler way. 3 fingers on the screen, swipe down, and there's the screenshot. You can do that anywhere on the phone. Then moving on to the a little bit more complicated ones. All will include 3 fingers. So number one, you wanna hold 3 fingers on the screen. You can see that it kind of grayed out, and from here I can drag it down, let go. You can see there are still gray areas that are blurry, and then the one that is focused, that's what you would capture. You can grab by the bars and resize it as however you like to capture a specific, for instance, part of the display, like so, and from here tap on save. And the last way to do it is a scrollable screenshot, which will allow you to, for instance, not only capture what you can see on the screen, but everything below that as well. Now, how much of it you capture is completely up to you. So let me just grab the phone because it's easier. Again, 3 fingers, same premise. It gets grayed out and you can select it, and you want to scroll all the way down. And you can see that it stops right here. So right now I would capture it up to this point, the location, from all the way to the top. But if I wanted to, I could scroll further, for instance, to the battery. It also tells me the size of the screenshot that will be captured. Tap on done, and it automatically gets saved, as you can see. And that is the entire screenshot that it will be saved. And now all those screenshots can be found in the photo gallery. As you can see, I already did this before, so there's 2 of them. But these are the ones that I have captured right now. So there's the normal one, there's the setting page through a 3-finger swipe, and there's a 3-finger hold with the crop option, and scrollable ones. Now these ones are actually the first ones, so let's go further. So those are the ones that I have captured, as you can now see. And that is all the ways you can capture a screenshot on this device. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.